afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, girls. My name is Leija Chisavan. I'm 26 years old. I'm a single mother. I have 2 child. I'm high school graduate. I'm a colleague. I'm working experience inside and outside the house, such as washing the dishes, washing the clothes, and iron them, cleaning up the house, cleaning the bathroom, cook simple food, take care of babies. Ma'am, madam, I promise finish contract. 2 years contract. My job. Mom, I promise to finish 2 years contract. Thank you.